Hi, it's Luke, technician at Fontain. Just wanted to bring some pitfalls to your attention regarding the later model Q7s and their cooling systems. We're seeing a fair few of them with apparent leaks on the front of the engine and around the V area. We have stripped them in the past and have found that they have an issue with the shut-off valves, the coolant shut-off valves for the EGR cooler. The rod runs inside a plastic housing which is sealed. That tends to leak and causes coolant to settle in the V and will then run down the front of the engine, which can make it look like you've got a water pump leak. The water pumps do get changed mistakenly for this fault. Car comes back because there's still a leak, and it's down to one of these valves, either the front valve here or the rear one just under the cooler. On this occasion, we're lucky enough that those aren't failed, and it's the water pump itself. The manifold is still required to be removed as it sits just above the water pump and obviously covers the EGR and the EGR cooler here underneath. The failure point on the pump is this core plug here has begun to corrode and has begun to lose fluid, causing the issue of the coolant running down the front of the engine. So in this case we're lucky, it's just a replacement of the water pump. We'll fit that, get the coolant filled up, run it up to temp and double check all our fittings. If you found this video of any use or any help, please give us a like and go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook channel. Thanks.